Hello guys, Chris and Owen, HD Games here, bringing you the second episode to the race to EAS FC Cup. And as you can see, we beat Real Madrid in the first round. Chris, show us who we get in the second round. Juventus. Hopefully we can win. So yeah, we have changed the squad around because of fitness. Me and Chris do every 2 matches. Comment down below what we could change in our team and how you guys would like to see it better. We're trying to save our coins up for Suarez, but if you guys have any other ideas, please leave it down in the comments below. Right, if you haven't already, please subscribe. It would mean a lot. Comment what series you'd like to see us do, and yeah, like the video. Right, we'll see you in the match. Right, so boys, let's start the game. Chris is starting. Obviously, he always does the first half. I always do the second half. Sometimes swap it around, but the quarterfinals. Let's see if we can get a win. Hopefully, we can win this 4K. Go on, Chris. Oh, that's unlucky. Juventus have some good players. Tevez.
Although he's not going to the World Cup.
I know, yeah, Di Santo's been picked. And Nasri hasn't been picked. And all these, there's a lot going down. Vidal's a great player. Right, Chiellini is a good defender too. Right, so let's see who. Bill, you just spoiled the video. You have just spoiled it. No, that's just spoiled the moment, Bill. Never do that ever again in your life. What a finish! I was just about to pause it there, but I'm glad I did not. What a scorcher of a goal! Well said, Bill, but no. Buffon could not get his hands on that. We could have not had a better start than this. Whoa, what's going on there? Whoa, we was the keeper for a second. Right, so let's see if we can win. Shoot! I'm taking the mic. Willian, Tesnick down the wing. Oh, he cuts back in. Oh, to Gerrard, to Rooney. Oh, I could have hit another one. Oh, because all of them nice skills. Ivanovic whips it in. Eddies. Oh, that's unlucky. At the end of the video, we have got a little bit of to tell you about our channel and what videos and whatnot we'll be doing. And as you can see, Juventus on the attack. Can Tevez to finish. Oh, what a save from the keeper. Right, corner for Juventus. It's whipped in to the back stick. To the head on Tevez. Tevez on the edge. Oh, whoever that is. I think it's the centre back. Oh no, to Vidic. Well out to Rooney. Rooney tries to flick it on, however cannot. Well, if Rooney run that then, he would have been free. Oh, Willian. Great interception, my friend. Oh,
what the freaking hell was that?
It blocked. He got blocked. The kid that ran in front of the screen when we scored was Bill. He will probably be featured in a lot of our videos. Is Chris's brother. Oh, edit! Penalty. That should have been a penalty. Right, Juventus on the attack. It's a ball over the top, but right, check. He is the best keeper on the game by far. But me and Chris have just been playing like online seasons, and on that he has been unstoppable. He's around about a 5k buy at the maximum if you want the exactly, but maximum buy if you want the chemistry styles, and on that. All that in contracts. If you want a really good check, a good fitness contract, and a chemistry trial, it'd be around 5k, which is an absolute fantastic buy. I think the next best keeper on the game probably Lloris, but we have him on the bench at the moment. Right, enough of me talking rubbish. Let's get into the action again. Juventus on the ball. Exactly. I think he's a great buy. He's around 1k. He's a steady player. Right, Willian, can he whip it in? Shrek's in the box!
Shrek!
Oh, Shrek, the ball over the top, Jovetic, finish!
No!
Oh
my god! Sick of it, fucking post and crossbar with him. That's what I do with that.
Oh, I can't believe we just missed that attempt. Navas gives it to Ivanovic. Gerrard, don't slip on the ball. I'm a Liverpool fan myself, so I don't know why I just said that. Willian, he's through. Oh, it's great defending. Juventus on the attack. Big Vidic. I reckon you go and pick Vidic up now before the market uncrashes. 1.9k, I picked him up with the anchor chemistry style on and 40 contracts. That is a bargain and a half. We got it on Billy's PS4, which it's unreal. He's just an unstoppable beast. His pace is just a bit bad, but his heading and defending is faultless. Go on. Oh, fingers pooed. No, I didn't really. Oh, it's a ball in.
Oh,
Finish. Oh, hit it.
Oh,
it's a great effort.
Shit has been done.
They do take the goal kick. We're in the first 6 minutes. There is 10 minutes before. Chris does take over the videoing, and I do the playing.
Yeah.
They are on the attack down the right hand side. It's a very great steady tackle from Baker Shulman.
It's absolutely dire.
Great save from Chip. It's a great ball over the top. Oh, it just stopped, unfortunately. As you can see, Gerrard has 100% passing. Vidal only has 85. Only is really good though. Only 85. Oh, we're on the attack. Jovetic plays it back over to Gerrard. Don't fall over. Yes, take the free kick on the edge of the bar. Santi Cazorla and other people stood around the free kick. Rooney, 94 power. Right, here is Shrek. Who's hitting this? We do not know. Oh, what a waste. Right, we are going to the second half. While we are switching and all that, if you would please leave a like and subscribe if you aren't already. Thank you. See you in a minute. Right, so as you can see, we are in the second half. I am playing Owen and Chris is recording and commentating. Well, not really. Oh, what the hell happened there? God knows.
Steven Gerrard by the commentator on the game.
Rooney.
Big Rooney.
You can hit them as we saw in the first half. That's great football from William.
Patrice Evra. Oh, that was poor.
Yeah.
Willian on the ball, doing all the skills. Oh, Gaza! Demand, Billy.
What are you doing?
Shut up, Bill. I'm different. You're not. You're fucking. I don't know what you are. Sweaty goon.
Oh, that's fair.
Who farted?
Do it, I do it.
Evra.
Can he put it back across? Finish! What the bloody hell was that? You absolute retard!
Retard alert!
That was good.
Oh, that was just a poor ball by Vidic.
When you scored that Rooney goal, I was just about to pause it.
Oh, was you?
And I saw you hit it, and I was like, let's just watch it. To say, unlucky effort. Him pout, ain't he?
By the way, this is Willian on the ball.
Oh. Yeah,
He's got the free kick. Who's this taking? I can't see proper. Someone stood there, I can't see. Oh, sly little pass. Referee, dirty ball. That was a good strength by
Vidic. He hits it.
Oh, unlucky by Vidic, and it's a goal kick to Juventus.
Oh, Rooney, put back pit. How? Oh.
Willian with Ronaldo chop. And he's on the edge, it's Santi Cazorla.
Oh my god. Santi Cazorla. Shit my bed.
So another goal kick to Juventus.
Sneaky little bugger. Oh, well, he weren't so sneaky, was he?
Good head back. Whoever this is can't see. Oh, Gerrard's on the corner. That was a poor shot. Billy, shut up shouting for anything. Or fuck off. Suck in my window. Oh, Juventus on the attack.
Pants.
Pogba. Jinx.
Such a fart. What am I doing? Bang, Willian.
Oh, Santi Cazorla, that was poor. Gerrard, Nava. Oh, it's a goal kick to Petr Cech.
I'm not taking it, guys, me.
Yeah, should we not?
I said, when you're on the attack in your shit.
No.
Oh, corner ball, take that. Go on!
Yeah, take that.
Take the corner, unlucky Santi.
Gerrard whips it in. But on Vidic, his head. Unlucky. It's gone to Rooney. Shot.
Edit! Get off!
With Rooney. Oh, he's got it. Oh, he nearly had it then.
The strength.
But he's not. No, it's Juventus. Good tackle by Ivanovic. It's Ivanovic again. Jovetic. Gerrard. Oh, fakies. Oh, it's a shot, but it's a good save by Buffon. It's a free kick.
Free kick on 32 yards out. We weren't too sure what it was for, really. But I need someone with good curve. Gerrard's got good curve.
Hit it.
What do you think I'm doing?
Oh, he shoots. Oh!
Easy take for Buffon.
Yeah. No, we're on the attack.
Oh, take that. What expecting it?
It's lagging a bit, so Willian ends up dropping the ball. Just give it to Evra. It's gone to Willian. It's gone back to Evra. It's gone to Gerrard.
For the fakies.
Oh,
Referee.
obstruction.
Friggin' mizzle bum.
Juventus are on the ball. It's gone through.
Getting distracted a bit by Bill. Oh, Rooney, you shreky bumhole. Oh, poo.
Good tackle. Jovetic. It's gone to Rooney. Let's put it over the top.
The defender read it well, actually. Oh my god. Yeah, my god.
Good tackle by Santi Cazorla. Unlucky though, Streppi's give away a free kick. Free kick to Juventus. He's trying to whip it in, but it's a good clearance. Oh, it's Rooney. No, it's not. Gerrard. He's trying to put it through, but he failed. Didn't spot Jovetic on the run.
Exactly, that's why I'm going, I didn't fucking touch it, referee!
It's a free kick to Juventus. He's trying to cross it again.
Oh, Jesus Christ!
Straight in Czech's arms. It's gone to Rooney. Is it going over to Jovetic? Of course it is. Jovetic, will he get it?
There he does.
Oh,
it's all for it.
Oh,
Giving every single little thing.
fucking referee, you absolute twat.
Yeah, what Chris said. Oh my god, can't even
Poor
edit
header.
that. Yes! We get through into the next round. Come on! We do get 434 coins. So a bit there. We'll show you the man of the match. It was Patrice Evra. What? I already give that to Rooney for his stunning goal. Right. At the start of the video, guys, we did say that was a bit of the end of talking about what we were doing. Obviously, you can tell that we are doing FIFA videos. Soon we'll be uploading Watchdog videos, the new game that has just recently come out. It is absolutely awesome. We are just trying to get used to it to try and do some videos for you guys. Also, we will be sneaking a few GTA 5 videos in there and maybe some COD Ghosts, depending on which you guys want. We could do different COD Ghosts games, different Call of Duty games. So yeah, that's about it. Also, when me and Chris do get a few subscribers, maybe like 5, that'll be about 5 years off, obviously. When we do hit some subscribers, we will be doing a 50k giveaway, and we will announce the winner on Facebook. We're not doing that yet. We need to get some likes and subscribes on our videos. So yeah, if you would like to see which games you want to play, put them in the comments below. Please like, subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribing means a lot to us. So yeah, this is the cut run. We are currently in the semi-finals. We'll show you who we get in the next video. Goodbye.